Good morning. I'm going to show you the easiest way to pull your chains out of the cuckoo clock and put them back in without taking the clock apart. It's so easy. I'm using fishing line. I've got the middle line is waiting. It's already pulled through, and I've got it tied in a knot around the weight so it cannot come loose or come out. And this chain, the first chain, is ready to be pulled through and tied in a knot. And you can put your weight on it so the fishing string don't get all tied up or in a knot. Oops. Okay, so here's my fishing string. Got it tied onto one end right here. Probably really hard to see, but we're going to pull it through. Okay, here comes the fishing string. I'm going to pull it way down, tie a knot in it. Sorry about that. Okay, so I've got the knot tied. In the first, I have 3 chains coming out of this. So I've got the knot tied in this one. It's really hard to see. So it's ready for the chains to be worked on. This one, the middle one, still tied in a knot. On the last one, I'm ready to put the chain back in. So I've got it tied in a knot. I've got the chain tied onto it down here. And we're just going to pull the string back through. Okay, so where are we at? Here we are. Okay, so here's the string and here's the chain. Pull it back up through. Here comes the chain. Beautiful. Okay, that is so easy. I might have made it look hard, but you can see I've got this tied in knot where it don't come out or move all around. Now you can take your chain out, clean it, and put it back in with no problem. I'm using the pretty heavy duty fishing line. Okay, thanks for watching.